Good evening. Some of the issues facing Saskatchewan paramedics front and center today as paramedic chiefs gathered in Saskatoon. As Hallie Mandrick reports, everything from the overdose crisis to staff shortages are making working on the front lines stressful.
Daniel Sundhall knows the struggle of being a paramedic. Working on the front lines for 20 years took a toll on his mental health.
There's lots of challenges with the stresses that we see, the types of calls that we go on.
To help himself cope, Sundhall channeled his trauma into art therapy, creating digital paintings of some of his experiences. Now a therapist, he's sharing his experiences with Saskatchewan paramedics at the Paramedic Services Chiefs of Saskatchewan Conference, a place to talk about the challenges first responders are facing. A steadily increasing number of overdoses being one of them.
Some of those responders are coming back to us and saying, I didn't know that it could happen in somebody that young.
Lyle Karashuk says overdoses are a problem across the province and the country, and they are affecting the system as a whole.
Paramedics that are facing it with more frequency and higher acuity, it is taxing. It's taxing on resources. It's taxing on, it's tiring. It's exhausting. So those people are reaching out within their systems for those supports that need it.
But the strains of paramedic services are not exclusive to urban centres. According to the Paramedic Services Chiefs of Saskatchewan, the province currently has more than 200 paramedic vacancies, with the hardest areas to attract workers often being in rural areas.
And that's very concerning as operators and across the province because we don't have the paramedics to put in the ambulances to respond to emergencies. So that's everything from emergency medical responders to advanced care paramedics. The biggest holes are sometimes those out in rural Saskatchewan.
It's why Stephen Skrudko says it's important for first responders as they take care of others to also take care of themselves. Something Daniel Sundhall agrees with, saying a lot can weigh on workers.
The stresses aren't so much from the emergency calls that they go on. It's the external controllable factors like workplace culture, supportive workplace, the place where they feel they have purpose.
Organizers shared hope that at the end of the two-day conference, Saskatchewan paramedic chiefs will take home some skills to help support first responders across the province. Hallie Mandrick, CTV News, Saskatoon.